Section 5-3, Part 2. You can find the slope of the line by subtracting the coordinates of any 2 points on the line. The first y-coordinate you use for the rise must belong to the same point as the first x-coordinate you use for the run. So, what I want us to do is look at this graph that I've drawn for us, and I want us to find the slope of the line by subtracting the coordinates. What is the name of this point? Starting at the origin, you went to the right 2 on the x-axis. So I know that the x value of this point is 2. You didn't go up or down, so the y value of this point is 0. So this is your x, this is your y. So you went to the right 2, you didn't go up or down, so the name of this point is 2, 0. What is the name of this point? Start at the origin. Take the x road first. Go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my x is -4. And I had to go up 1, 2, 3. So the name of this point is -4, 3. So to find your slope, we need to determine the rise over the run by subtracting. So let's subtract your x's. I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to let this one be 0.1. Start with 0.1. Start with your y value. 0. 0 minus the y value of 0.2. The y value of 0.2. So I'm going to say 0 minus 3. Now start with the x value of the same point that you used to begin with on your rise of your y's. So start with the same point. My x is 2 minus -4. So again, start with the same point. With the y's, I said 0 minus 3. That's your rise, and your run is 2 minus -4. You can use your calculator. 0 minus 3 gives you -3. -3 divided by 2 minus -4. We know subtraction says change each sign, so that really becomes 2 plus +4. Subtraction means add the opposite. Change subtraction to addition. The opposite of -4 is +4. So really, anytime you see a minus and negative, that's really plus plus. So 2 plus +4 gives you 6. So my slope is -3, 6. But let's reduce that. Dividing each one by 3. If you divide each one by 3, -3 divided by 3 gives you -1, and 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. So really the slope of this line is -1/2. -1/2. So let's look at some more problems involving finding slope. So let's look at A part. Problem -3, 2, and 2, 4. Let's find the slope. It's rise over run. We will subtract the y's over the x's. Actually, we describe slope as the difference of the y's over difference of the x. So difference of your y's divided by differences of your x. Difference means to subtract. Difference, the word difference means to subtract. So let's subtract our y's. I always start with the second one. I'm going to start with the y value here. I have x and y and x and y. Subtract with the y. 4 minus 2. So subtracting your y's, 4 minus 2. Now subtract your x's, starting back here with the second point. 2 minus -3. Now this minus sign here is the difference. So 4 minus 2 divided by 2, starting at the same point, 2 minus -3. So use your calculator. 4 minus 2 is 2. and 2 minus -3. Again, if you see that minus that negative, that becomes plus plus. because subtraction really means add the opposite. So 2 plus positive 3 gives you 5. So the slope of this line is 2/5. The slope of the line that contains these 2 points is 2/5.